Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is Valentine's Day, so I decided to do a Valentine's Day outfit from scratch. This is definitely a head turner and definitely super, super sexy. I mean, it is the sexiest time of the year, so I mean, you have to do it. You have to go sexy or go home. And if you have a man, he will definitely love this outfit. If you don't have a man, get together with your girls and then you guys go out and you'll definitely probably attract a man in this outfit. Definitely. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to start out with is definitely a dress. I mean, it's Valentine's Day. This is your excuse to wear a dress. If you're like me and you're like a tomboy or you're like your comfortable wear, you definitely want to do a dress today, sex it up a bit. So the first dress I chose was this dress right here. Oh my gosh, I love this Alexandra McQueen tuxedo dress. It's probably a subtle one because you probably wouldn't be like, let me get a tuxedo dress today. But this is a tuxedo dress like no other. That low cut V-neck right there makes for a super sexy look. And it's not your traditional tuxedo dress where it's like all buttoned up tight and you know what I'm saying, nothing's exposed. This is exposed and that's why I love it so much. And then also it has shape, it has body, it'll fit your curve, it'll cinch your waist right there as you see where the V-neck stops. It'll cinch your waist and then also accentuate your butt at the same time. I really love this tuxedo dress, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Oh my god, it's so sexy. Okay, so next I definitely want to do a boot. Definitely want to do a boot. And I want to do a lace-up boot because duh, when you think about sexy, you think about a boot and definitely a lace-up boot. So I'm going to go with this one right here. This black lace-up peep toe stiletto. Oh my god, I love this so much. And what I really love about this is it goes all the way up the knee. It's not like a low cut boot. You definitely want to do a high cut boot with this to really bring out that tuxedo dress. I love that. I love the peep toe elegance as well. And then also, of course, I love the lace up all the way to the top. I love this boot. It goes great with this tuxedo dress and it really brings the sexy. So next I'm going to do I'm going to go to our bags. Definitely want to do a play on Valentine's Day and do like a red clutch. So I have one in mind. Let's see. Red clutch. All right. Boom. This one right here. I was looking at this one earlier. Valentino women's spike quilted studded clutch. Oh my gosh. I love this because now you want to kind of break up all this black. We have a lot of black here with the boots, with the tuxedo dress. And like I said, in honor of Valentine's Day, let's do a little bit of red. I always like to, on holidays and stuff like Valentine's Day, add a little bit of fun and like cliche-ness to it. You know what I'm saying? Not do like a big red dress. And it's like, okay, duh, you took this way too far. But I like the little subtle tease of little things. So that's why I wanted to do a nice bright red clutch. It does two things. It really adds a little like, you know what I'm saying, sass to your sexy, and then it also adds that pop of color that I really like to do when I get dressed. So I love that clutch right there. Valentino spike studded clutch. Next I'm going to go and I'm going to do a hair. I always like to do some hair and some beauty in my outfits. And oh my gosh, I've been going through this and I've been looking at this girl like all the time. I'm like, I can't wait to use this kind of beauty moment, hair moment. And this is the perfect time to do it. You have this kind of like red hair. Her makeup is flawless. I would suggest using the same beauty routine and beauty makeup on this. Her hair, I love the bob cut. The bob cut is so sexy. Definitely do a bob cut. Oh my god, you don't know how sexy that is. People all the time think like long hair is like sexy, but if you can pull off a good bob cut, I'm telling you, that's sexy as hell. That's like model stuff right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add her. I love her, by the way. She's so beautiful. Okay, so that's my beauty moment right there. I think, oh my God, like I said, that bob cut goes with that long, deep V-neck boots and the clutch. So next I'm going to do some jewelry. We got to add our jewelry, our sprinkles. And I'm going to go with some gold jewelry. So let's go look for a gold necklace. This one's cute. That's cute, but I'm not really looking for that right now. I kind of want to do a layered gold look. And I think this is the one I want to go with. I love how many layers it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different layers. And I think that really is going to accentuate that long V-neck, because you don't want your neck to look bare. When you have a long V-neck like that, you want to really accentuate with some good jewelry, and definitely a good necklace. So there's our gold necklace. And then I do want to do some earrings. Let's see, gold stud earrings. I'm definitely gonna go. Oh, I love these little heart earrings. Like I said, you want to add a little bit of Valentine's Day into your outfit without being too extra. I think these are the perfect addition to this outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those. Oh my God, so cute. Let's also do some nails. Oh my God, they have so many cute nails. I was thinking about doing this white, or more of a like nudish kind of nail. I saw one earlier today. I was thinking these. Oh, I love these. I love these. I love these. Your pink and red. That's definitely Valentine's Day. Definitely Valentine's Day color. So that's a great way to add it all together and to tie it up all the way. Oh my God, I love this outfit so much. Definitely recreate this outfit if you can. You know I'm going to be doing more and more, definitely holiday inspired outfits, but also everyday and date night outfits as well. So this definitely fits into your date night, as well as your Valentine's Day. And like I said, don't feel bad if you don't have a man for Valentine's Day. There was plenty of days where I didn't have one. Just go out with your girls, and eventually you'll find that special someone. Just put it out into the universe, meditate, and he'll come. I swear to you, he'll come in the most random way. You'll be at like Rite Aid buying like some water or something. He'll be in the aisle like, hey, what's up? Oh my God. And then boom, babies, kids, all that good stuff. So have a great Valentine's Day. And I love this outfit, and I hope you do too.